Alright, let me cook up some Jamaican curry chicken. Start with the clean chopped chicken, and then we have to add the seasonings to that. And you know we have to add some better pot curry to that. Alright, we're gonna marinate this about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna eat the oil, and then we're gonna toss in some curry and burn it. Now at the seasoned chicken, basically this unlock the whole flavor out of the curry, so you can get the essence out of it, you know what I mean? And as usual, you know, we have to throw in some carrot, potatoes, likewise some fresh seasonings as well. And there you have it, the authentic Jamaican curry chicken, easy and flavorful.